Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Google Family Link on child's phone. To set up Google Family Link on your child's devices, the process works a bit differently on iPhone compared to Android because it mainly manages the Google account rather than full device control. Start on the parent's phone by installing Google Family Link and signing in with your Google account, then choose whether your child already has a Google account or needs a new one since the app will guide you through creating or linking it step by step. Once the child account is ready, move to the child's Android device and open Settings, then go to Google Services and sign in with the child's account so it can be detected by Family Link. After that, open the Family Link app on the parent's device, select the child's account, and follow the prompts to enable supervision, which will require verification and approval. Once setup is complete, you can manage app activity, approve downloads, and set screen time limits directly from the parent dashboard. Keep in mind that full device level controls only work on Android, while iPhone support is more limited and mainly focuses on Google account supervision rather than full device management. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.